In this video, we will be comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the AGLUCKY and the DUMOS. Both machines promise to deliver 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours and can produce 9 bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes. But which one is the best choice for your home or office? Let's find out. When it comes to pricing, the AGLUCKY ice maker is priced at $99, while the DUMOS offers a more budget-friendly option at $69. This makes the DUMOS a more attractive choice for those looking to save money without sacrificing functionality. Both the AGLUCKY and DUMOS ice makers come equipped with a self-cleaning function, making maintenance easy and hassle-free. This feature is essential for users who want to ensure their machines remain clean and ready for use without spending too much time on upkeep. Both models are designed for portability, making them suitable for various settings such as home, office, or even outdoor activities like camping. The DUMOS features a handle for easy transport, while the AGLUCKY maintains a compact design that fits well on countertops. In conclusion, both the AGLUCKY and DUMOS ice makers have their strengths, with the AGLUCKY being slightly more expensive but offering similar features. If you're looking for a more affordable option, the DUMOS is a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.